And here I have the railroad set with the Grandpa Pig figure inside. And you've got a locomotive as well as two cars that are coupled with magnets. They'll attach and they'll roll around. You gotta make sure you have them in the right way. But there we go. Here's the Grandpa figure. So he has an anchor on his head, which he also is a good captain for the boat that you can also get. But these are wood toys, and they have two more spots right here. So if you end up finding the other set of four of the family, the Peppa Pig family, Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, Peppa, and George, then Peppa and George can go for a ride with Grandpa in this wooden set right here. So very cool. It rolls really well. Let's couple this right here. These figures are really well made. This is what the bottom looks like, but wood all around. There might be a little carbon or composite on the bottom, but these figures are made really well. They have a really nice coating on them, nice and glossy, good paint on them, so they're not going to chip easily. But there is Grandpa Pig. You can see the wood on the one side, and then you've got the plastic circle piece on the bottom as well. But back them up and all aboard. But like I said, this set does not come with Peppa and George. It just comes with Grandpa and the locomotive right here. So very cool little set to play Peppa Pig. Can highly recommend for sure. Check it out.